How to cancel Notion subscription. So start by opening your web browser and then in the search bar search for notion.com to visit their official page. After that, sign into your account and then start selecting the workplace that has the paid plan. Go to settings and then open up billing and plan settings. From there, look for the option that says change or manage your plan and then choose the option to downgrade your workplace to the free plan. Notion will show you the details of the change before you confirm it. Review everything carefully, then confirm the downgrade. Your paid feature should remain available until the very end of your current billing period. After that, the workplace will now move to free plan and your Notion Plus subscription will no longer renew. Keep in mind, if your subscription is managed through the App Store, you may need to cancel it directly to the Apple or Google subscription settings. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.